what can we do in our capacity here in 2025 to return this to as much of a floodplain as possible? A floodplain wants to be a floodplain again. Metabolic Studio purchased this land in 2015 in order to save it from development and becoming like a high-rise. This is an image from 2012 when it was still a tow yard. Every space here was covered with a car.
Undevelopment 1 to me is the embodiment of an alternative that we're indoctrinated to believe is not possible. But it's literally happening right here at the site.
It started with a process of taking off the asphalt and then seeing what's underneath, seeing what will happen. 2019 was the first year we started the Bending the River project. Through that project, we were able to get floodplain that was buried underneath the concrete jacket of the LA River channel. So instead of just throwing that in the dump, we brought that to our site. And all of a sudden, there was a lot of new flora and fauna. An injured coyote lived in that back circle. So we spread it all over the site.
How do you clean contaminated land without kicking the issue downstream, right? We've remediated this site without having to export anything. It's all handled here, and we've seen a significant reduction in lead over time. We've done that while simultaneously creating a thriving floodplain ecosystem. So we've done remediation and restoration work simultaneously in one space.